Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make spice mix powder. Most chefs have their own blend of mix powders, which is why all Indian takeaways and restaurants taste slightly different. Here is my version, which is included in many of my recipes instead of curry powder. As always, a full recipe is in the description below. Before I begin, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and a notification bell. Thanks. There's no cooking needed for this one, just the spices, teaspoon and a tablespoon. So let's begin. In an airtight container, simply add 4 tablespoons of a mild madras powder, 3 tablespoons of paprika powder, 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 4 teaspoons of cumin powder, 4 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Combine all the ingredients well by stirring or shaking and then store in a cool, dry location, ready to use in your next dish. Please leave a comment below and hit the like button, and find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.